Yeah. Oh, y'all better watch out. Oh shit.
You just seen that? You just seen that?
No, you walked in.
Nah, I almost did though, I ain't gonna lie. Not even gonna lie to you, I definitely almost did. Y'all chopped all this down, right?
Well, mostly Garfield did it. These bushes was our height, Dad.
Really?
The whole land.
He did the whole thing? Or just like this section?
We're gonna have it
The whole thing.
that way. We'll do this one.
What's this? I just seen another, it's another one right there too.
Right there.
Yeah, it's
a
from
seed.
one. Yeah. You know what you're doing, bro? You watch the video?
Yeah. Huh?
They all swaying.
Where's that machete?
Aziza got it. Wait, where's the other one?
It's over there.
You want it to fall that way? It's coming down.
It's coming down. But wait, do you watch the video?
Right now.
Bro, when that joint cuts, get up out of there.
You ain't follow.
You ain't followed none of the instructions. Nah.
Stop.
Okay, wait.
Bro, wait.
He's not listening.
Bruh. Hold on.
What?
Alright. You cowboying it right now?
No. I didn't. I was coming. That's about it.
No, you're supposed to go halfway and then go from the back.
That's what I was getting ready to do.
No,
You almost
came
all the
too
way
far.
through, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. You're all right. All right, so come on, let's push it this way.
Let me get the wedge.
Yeah.
We could wedge it.
And then get the saw out.
You got to hammer it so we can hit it?
No.
They're getting ready to come down though, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. And the wind's blowing. Just step away from there right now. Seriously.
Everybody step away.
Yeah.
Everybody fall this
Seriously.
way. Where's the wedge at?
You could be an idiot to get clapped by a tree.
No, you're wildin'.
Saying I told you.
What?
That's why I said with the wedge, you got to have something to hit it with. All right, well, we got to find something. Good try, but we need something else.
That's the hardest surface you're going to get out here.
You just got to push it. The tree will go wherever you tell it, honestly. It's just when you got it.
Yeah, but that's...
I can push it, you pull the saw out and run this way. Okay? Huh?
I thought you wanted it to fall that way.
I do, but I got to get the salt.
Don't waste it, Aziza.
Waste what?
The coconut.
I'm trying to open it and eat it. What are you focusing?
Which size?
The smallest one.
Yeah, just need to get the
salt.
Yeah.
We don't want the one with the pleats on it though, because that's gonna get stuck in the tree. We want to try
They
not
all
to.
got pleats.
Well, we want to try. Probably this one is the best.
Yeah, that thing cut it like butter. That's what
Yeah.
happened.
Yeah, it went too fast.
Yeah, bro, you wasn't paying attention.
I really was.
That joint was going dumb fast.
Probably should have tried on the
Now, so you just let us know which way it's going.
Yeah, if you see it leaning in any direction, let us know. Like, even if you think it's little, let us know.
Aziza, pay attention. Aziza, pay attention.
We
to
literally
what we're
need
talking
all
about right
eyes
now.
on deck right now. We need all eyes on deck right now. So just if it's leaning in any direction, we need to know. If it's going that way, or that way. We need to know exactly what this tree is doing.
Dad, make sure you run.
Yeah, literally run just backwards.
It's coming down. London Bridge. Okay, run.
No, it's not coming yet.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
It's leaning this way.
You have to push it. It's not moving yet.
Give it a couple more. Or let me do it.
It's coming.
Yeah. Oh, y'all better watch out.
Oh shit! Shit! No going.
Yo.
Oh, Naoto got it.
Yo. Yo.